The breath should fill the rib cage like you're blowing up a ball. But you never want to protrude your abdomen on the inhale. That's a very important part of this. Continuing with the self-massage to assist the neuromuscular repatterning. Fist your lifted hand, push back into your hand with your head, squeeze your inner thighs, and feel those inner core muscles of the rib cage and the waist as you lower it down. And open your fingers and spread the toes and S it out. So you're in perfect posture. If you were standing right now, you'd be training your core to maintain your posture. Hold, point your toe and S it out. Inhale and keep your head in line with your spine. Don't let your head hang. And jump through, inhale up. And you feel how that engages your leg and your back, just the breathing. And keep that back foot pointed, inhale again. And then switch the feet, inhale again to the side like you're throwing a softball. And turn that right side of the rib cage towards the ceiling. Exhale like a lion, like there's a big rope there. Make a fist and squeeze the block. And open your fingers and S it out.